In this video we're going to be removing the rear headlamp on an Audi TT Mark 1. Here it is, as you can see. And once you've opened the boot, there's these internal flaps which hide the screws which hold the rear headlight in. Just get them open, and inside you're going to have two thumb screws. That's the white one at the top, as you can see there, and a black one at the bottom. So remember that they're color coded for a reason. So once you've opened it up, once you've opened that flap, you just got to reach in. It's a little bit tight in there, but it's really easy to do. They're not usually done up very tight, so just take your time and undo them, you know, because yeah, it's really easy. Just get your hand in there and just unscrew them. It won't take too long. So there's the black one come out first. I'm going to show you the difference between those in a minute, but here's just a quick snapshot. Remember to keep them because you're going to need them in a little while. And there's a white one, comes just very similar as the black one, simple stuff. So the difference between them, one's got a longer thread than the other, so one needs to have a longer reach. So just remember that when you're replacing it back. Once you've removed them, just pull it towards yourself and it just unplugs from the grommets and it frees up the light. As you can see there, the wire is still attached to it, so it just won't fall out once you've undone them screws. That's the locator it goes in, and that's the metal lug that goes into that locator part right there. So that's what you have to pull off just to get it unattached from it. With your flat screwdriver, just ease off the clips on the side of the bulb holder. It's not hard, just under a little bit of tension and it just comes off itself. And that's the light off. If you was going to sell it or replace it, that's how simple it is. Don't take you 2 minutes and minimal amount of tools. So that's one thing. But we're also going to replace the bulb in this as well. Show you how to replace the bulb in this as well. So this is the rear headlight on my workbench. Usually I'll take a photo of this and put it on eBay if I was selling for parts. On the back of it is the actual bulb holder itself. It's held in by two stainless steel screws, which are generally, they're good quality, so they're not ever chewed out and they're not going to break. So just take your time and undo them. It's really easy. And it just pops out, your bulb holder pops out of all of your bulbs in place. So I'm going to give a quick explanation of what these bulbs are. So the bottom two are the indicator bulbs and the top two are your stop and tail light bulbs. Now the bottom two bulbs, they're single filament bulbs. I'm going to have a link in the description on where to get high quality LED bulbs for these, because then you will never have to replace them again. So get those. And here are the brake, stop and tail bulbs. So these come on when your brake lights are on and when your normal headlights are on. That one's a bit burnt out actually. And this is your fog light bulb or your reverse bulb. So like I said, the link in the description for all of your bulbs. Make sure to click on them, click on the links because it supports the channel. And get yourself some high quality bulbs that you error free as well, that you won't have to replace. I always replace them with LEDs because I think they're the best anyway. But I didn't have to on this one. So there you go. Really simple stuff. Don't forget to comment, turn that notification button and subscribe. Cheers guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video.